What's going on, everyone? Hope everyone out there is having an awesome day. Today on this video, I wanted to share with you some of our recently started channel, and I'll be sharing with you the results. And also I'll be going over one of our client who actually recently started, and less than 30 days she started making, like, say, we started hitting like $100 days, and she made total of like $890 in the last 30 days, and she was able to monetize within a very short amount of time. So she uploaded like probably 4 videos, and she actually got monetized. And total on her video, she's only got like, say, about 8 or 9 videos, but like she's already hitting like $150 to $170 per day at this stage, and her channel just exploded like very, very huge time, right? So and I'll also be doing a interview with the client, so you can actually see our results in real time, right? And make sure to also stay till the end, because I wanted to share with you something awesome that I've actually been working on, so you can get a lot of value. Okay, so make sure you stay till the end. So let me share with you my screen, and I'm really, really excited to share this information with you. And pretty much what I wanted to share with you is a channel that we started not that long ago. Hopefully you can actually see my screen. So as you can see, I'll make this screen a little bit bigger so you can see better, right? So as you can see, this is a channel that we actually started in February, and it's growing. And you'll see, hey, you got so much views, but how come you not made that much money? Well, the reason is because this is a shorts based channel. Okay, and we started this channel on a already monetized channel. So once we start uploading, we start getting views. And for any of you who knows about shorts is videos can be like between like 5 or 7 seconds long, 8 seconds long, or some of the creators, they actually make a longer video like less than 1 minute, right? And you're gonna get a lot of views. Plus with lot of views, we're gonna get a lot of income actually coming in, right? So we already hitting like $6 to $5 a day on this channel. But however, once we get enough subscribers, more subscribers on this channel, is currently got, I think, believe 2,000 subscribers. And once we get like to 1 million subscribers, it'd be easily hitting like $100 a day. Okay, and it's only like a baby channel at this stage. So as the subscribers will grow, the views will also be growing. And with the views, you're gonna get a lot of income coming in as well, right? So that's one of the channel. Really excited to blow this shorts based channel. Another channel that we also started building is this one here, right? In the last 28 days, it hit 1.5 million views. And this one, we didn't start on an already monetized channel because we wanted to test. And once we start uploading, you start getting views. So it's not that long till this channel will get monetized. It's got, I think, close to about 1.7 million views. And to actually be eligible to get monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers on the shorts based channel, and you need 10 million views in the last 90 days. Okay, so I'd say maybe in a month or so, this channel will also be getting monetized. And with the monetization, this channel will also be earning income as well, right? So really, really excited. These shorts based channel are really, really easy to grow, and pretty much the production cost for these shorts channel are not that much. Okay, so any of you who's actually watching this video and you don't have like a big budget to actually create videos on a long form content, you can definitely start on the shorts based channel. Okay, and this last is one of our clients who actually started not that long ago. The client that I actually mentioned, she sent us this screenshot. So in the last, I'd say, 28 days, she hit $861. This is US numbers, by the way, and her channel actually just growing. So she sent me this, I believe, this morning, and then she sent me another screenshot. So it was 6.6 100K subs, then he hit about 7,000 subscribers. So she only got started, and like within a very short amount of time, she was able to get monetized organically. However, most of our clients who actually start, we start them on an already monetized channel. But when she started, she wanted to grow it organically, and we just gave her a strategy, we gave her a niche, and she just took the niche and then ran with it. Now she's actually started to earn income, right? She's already hitting like $150 to $170 days, and hasn't got that much videos on the channel. Like she's only probably got like 8 or 9 videos on her channel currently, right? So she's already profiting from this channel. So she's gonna be growing this channel, and then exploding, like, and then she's gonna be moving into like different niches as well, right? So which is awesome. So in the last 32 days, this is the results, just crazy results. So any of you is probably wondering like how long does it actually take to start earning from YouTube automation? So with the already monetized channel, it doesn't take that long, and once you start uploading video, you start earning. But on a channel that is not monetized, you're gonna be uploading videos and getting views, and then you have to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That's how you're gonna be earning income. But most of our clients, what we actually provide them, we provide them with the already monetized channel, so that way they start uploading and start getting views and start earning income, right? So thank you so much for watching till the end. And if you want to join my community, free community, I share a lot of value in there. You can just click in the description and get access to the community. And in there, you can decide if you want to work with us one-on-one. So that way we can actually help you to grow this YouTube automation faceless channels. So again, thank you so much. If you have any question, put in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one. God bless, and bye for now. Ta-da.